Hello everyone, this is my second video on my channel, and I'm just going to go over and talk about my 92 Lexus SC400. I don't know if you can already tell, it looks good from a distance, but it will be needing a new paint job. If you want, let me know what color I should do, because I will be getting a paint job soon. Let me know if I should keep the gray or just do a different color. I will also be posting videos on stuff to replace and just typical stuff like that for this car, because you don't see very many videos on just to fix some things about it. But I'll also just be doing some modifications to it, so if you want, just stay tuned and we'll just see where this car goes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.